So what we're going to do here is create a storm hydrograph. I have my data in here. So I'm in Sheets. Got my data in there, the hours from the beginning of the storm. Here's where the rain fell, 40 millimeters there in the third hour of the rainstorm. And here's the discharge of my river rising and falling. And what I want to do is produce a graph that shows both the rainfall and the discharge data in the same place. So I'm going to select all of my data. Then I'm going to say insert and insert a chart. Of course it'll make something up for me, but that's not the one I'm looking for. So I want to find chart type. Don't want a scatter chart, but I want this. This is a combo chart. Now it's giving me something like the thing I'm looking for. I have the bars here for the climate graph. I don't want it to stack. I don't quite want it to look like this. So I'm now going to go through and edit some parts of it. So one thing I need to do is go into chart style. You see how my dots aren't joined up? Well, that's because it's just showing me the data I've given it. I wanted to plot null values. I wanted to sort of fill in the gaps. So now it's added that line on. It comes to a point at the top. That's quite unrealistic, that the discharge will have been increasing really rapidly and suddenly started to decrease. And so I'm going to smooth out that curve. So it's a smooth line like you would draw with a pencil on a graph. Now, from a data point of view, I'm kind of all the way there, though I'm still not quite happy with the way it's all laid out. One thing I'm going to want to do for my horizontal axis here, I've got hours, which is okay as a label. On my chart title, I'm going to call this storm hydrograph because that's what it is. Obviously I'd have the name of the drainage basin if I knew what that was, and because it's a title I'm going to center it. This legend I don't want. I'm going to put that data over here. Here's my vertical axis. I want to show that axis line there. Now I've just added that in. If it needed to be a log scale, I could click that, but not in this case. Now I need to go into, I think it's chart and axis titles. I want the vertical axis title. There, I'm going to write rainfall millimeters, discharge in cubics. I've done it before, so it's given it to me as an option. There, rainfall millimeters, discharge cubics. The numbers are up the side, and there's the time in hours along the bottom. The only thing I'm particularly interested in now is I think I should have some more lines going across, so I'm going to try and find out where they are. So I'm going to the vertical axis here. It's in grid lines and ticks. I can show minor grid lines, which will make it easier to use the numbers.